Are you ready to unlock a world of gaming on Ubuntu 24.04? In today's video, I'll show you how to install Steam, the ultimate gaming platform, on your Linux system. It's quick, easy, and you'll be gaming in no time. Let's dive in. First, let's ensure our system is up to date. Open your terminal and run these commands. Next, visit the Steam store to download the latest version of the Steam installation media. Change directory to the folder where you downloaded the deb file. The default download folder in Ubuntu is the download folder. This command will install the Steam deb package file. If the installation completes without any errors, it means the Steam package has been successfully installed. You can launch Steam from the command line by typing Steam and hitting Enter, or you can launch it from the Applications menu. When you open Steam for the first time, it will take you through a series of file and dependencies. Updates, just follow the on-screen instructions. And there you have it. Steam is now installed and ready to take your gaming experience to the next level on Ubuntu 24.04. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Linux tips. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.